the elevator at the Country Inn Suites, Madison, Wisconsin. Moana. Your ice cream machine and your vending machine. And here's the elevator. Go down to 1. It's a Dover with impulse fixtures. Here's your 88 compliant phone. So 3 and end it. One squared out a little bit. You're back to 3. Just so you know what to do. I'll set it down to 2 so you can hear the. First, choose your bumper. We'll watch it go down. I hope it doesn't go into nudge. If it does, it'd be so loud. There it goes. While we're waiting, again, look in the mirror. Who do you see? It's here. Here's one thing you can do with the door. Look at that. Alright. There it goes. And that's it.